Solstice is a new and limited production revolutionary alchemy from Zptech. Without fail, every year the sun is reborn on the winter solstice. The days are shorter, twilight becomes longer, and a period of contemplation and reflection bring to life new beginnings, new goals, fresh starts, and youthful ambitions. This extends thousands of years behind modern-day New Year's resolutions. If we go back to 2000, 3000 BC, we find Stonehenge, one of the wonders of the world for how it was erected and why. There are many suggestions and opinions, but many recognize that a coincidence that the north and south points of the ceremonial stones align perfectly with both the summer and winter solstice with the placement of the Earth's axis at that time. The alignment is so precise that coincidence must be moved to intentional. Within the history of alchemy and those pursuing the philosopher's stone, astronomy and astrology have been linchpins within research and development of these experiments. Following zodiac charts, seasons, eclipses, and solar maps for thousands of years, the single most important data points have been based off the 2 equinoxes and the 2 solstices. These 4 events represent the largest direct effects to human way of life on Earth, with seasonal changes and increased or decreased sunlight changing how literally everything is completed. With modern-day science and laboratories, not only can we detect and measure magnetic and energy changes here on our own planet, but we also have more answers to how these cosmic events scientifically change a person or person's mood and ambitions through chemical changes in the body. Zptech loves to incorporate all of these elements into our production of M-state metals. Gold, silver, and iron. From currency to ceremonies, function to fashion, these 3 metals represent thousands of years of crucial and viable application. 3 metals used widely throughout history from multiple cultures to work towards and through each solstice. Mining, tools, jewelry, trade, banking, armor, sacrifice, offerings, commerce, and more, all to and for the sun. Applications for a new beginning, peak earnings, massive production, survival, blessings, community building, wealth building, and more. These 3 metals can perhaps be a cornerstone to historical and modern-day commerce, religion, resource production, and technology. Because of these 3 metals' prominent place in today's world and in our ancient world, they represent the beauty that surrounds the solstice today just as they have for thousands of years. Gold, silver, and iron have been carefully chosen to be transmuted into M-state form for the best resonation with the spiritual symbolism of the solstice and its energy-shaping capacity. As all 3 metals are very malleable, they suit the ever-changing landscape the solstice brings from the birth to the death cycle of the sun each year. With the observable changes that take place during the solstice, Zptech has created a proprietary blend of gold, silver, and iron, made by alchemist Eric Johnson on the winter solstice. With these particular metals in specific proportions made on the solstice, Zptech has captured the essence of the energy changes produced by the solstice, inspiring new beginnings, a fresh start, increased commitment to goals, and an increase in laser-like focus on the tasks at hand. Awaken Enlightenment. Solstice by Zptech. Super health through modern technology.